Mines automation, integrated with Transl, revolutionizes mining operations by combining advanced fleet and logistics management with state-of-the-art automation technologies. In the mining sector, Transl enables the efficient coordination of autonomous vehicles, optimizing the transport of materials through real-time tracking, load management, and dynamic scheduling tailored to the unique demands of mining sites. Predictive maintenance ensures that mining equipment operates reliably, minimizing downtime and reducing operational costs critical to continuous mining processes. Transl enhances safety in mining environments by monitoring vehicle operations, enforcing compliance with safety standards, and providing real-time alerts to prevent accidents in hazardous conditions. The platform's advanced analytics deliver valuable insights into fleet performance and resource utilization, allowing mining companies to make informed, data-driven decisions that enhance operational efficiency and sustainability. Additionally, Transl supports the integration of digital twins, enabling mining companies to simulate and optimize logistics and resource management before implementing changes in the field. By seamlessly connecting with existing mining management systems, Transl ensures that logistics are fully integrated with broader mining operations. Through its mobile and web applications, Transl offers real-time access to critical data for field operators, even in remote and challenging mining locations. Focused on the specific needs of the mining industry, Transl empowers mining companies to enhance productivity, safety, and environmental sustainability, making it an indispensable component of modern mines automation.